ಪ್ರಿಯ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ಮಾತಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿರೋದು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ ದ SSLC students. It's very useful for the SSLC student. And my name is Vijay Kumar. Please subscribe to me and have a look at my video. Okay, today I'll be going to explain what is mean by trigonometry, what are the things involved in the trigonometry. Okay, let us start with here. First we will consider why it is used, where it is used, and all those things we need to be discussed. Okay, here I'll give you one example. Say this is Qutub Minar. Okay, this is a Qutub Minar where one boy, this is ground, this is ground, this is ground. Okay, Qutub Minar will be like this. One boy standing here on this ground and he sees the top of the Qutub Minar. Here the Qutub Minar is on the floor, the boy is also on the floor, but his eyes are looking at the top of the Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar na top na avana eye nodta ide. Illi Qutub Minar actually it is 90 degree from the ground and this guy is looking at this. This is the angle formed over here, this is the angle formed over here, this is 90 degree. This is one of the example. Same like that, when a girl walking on the road, ಒಬ್ಬ ಹುಡುಗಿ ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚರ್ಚ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಚರ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಚರ್ಚ್ ಕ್ರಾಸನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದು ಕೂಡ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಚರ್ಚು, ಹುಡುಗಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾಳೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೇ ಥರ. ಇದು ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲಿ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, let me give another example. Say for example, one girl watch one balloon over here. One girl watch one balloon over here. This balloon is flying. Okay, here boy is here. Boy watches that balloon. This is 90 degree. This is acute angle. Okay, after some 5 minutes boy come along with his mother. Okay, then the balloon will move over here. Okay, then the angle will be from here. The height is same, but the thing is balloon move to somewhere. Angle also differs over here because it moves from one place to another place. In this type of situations we are going to use trigonometry. Okay, what is mean by trigonometry? Here name itself implicates it is trigonometry is nothing but tri means 3, gon means sides, metron is equal to measure. This is called, why this is called trigonometry. Okay, let us start with now some trigonometric ratios. These are called trigonometry explanation. I explained where it is used in engineering field. Almost all the engineering field this trigonometry is used. Okay, now let's move on to trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios are the major applications where we are using in industry. Okay, here let us start with one right angle triangle and I'll explain how it is coming, ratio is coming. Okay, say for example I'll write one right angle triangle over here. Right angle triangle, this is right angle triangle, this is a right angle, This is acute angle. This is acute angle. Here I mentioned ABC as a triangle. Okay. Here this angle, say for example, this angle is theta. This you don't know. This is 90 degree. This is some angle. Okay. Here AB is the adjacent side. AB, it is, let us consider for trigonometric ratio this triangle, and trigonometry is applied only for the rectangular triangle. Okay. Here the theta, the angle along the theta AB is adjacent to the angle theta. Okay. This is called adjacent side. Adjacent side. This is CB is opposite side, and this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Okay. Now we have to use our thinking, in the sense now we have to go for a detailed trigonometry. Here the ratios are coming over here. Say for example, angle CAB. Here angle CAB is equal to theta, and angle ABC equal to 90 degrees. Okay. Now let us start with trigonometric ratios directly. Here, say for example, the trigonometric ratios are always different. Say for example, I'll consider sin A. Sin A means sin. This is not sin into A. This is whole word sin A. Not considered sin into A. Okay. Sin is nothing but it is cosine of sine of an angle. SINE. Sine of an angle is also called sin A. Sin A is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is BC and hypotenuse is AC. Opposite is BC divided by AC. This is sine of an angle. Sin A, it can be written as theta here, sin theta. Sin A or sin theta. It can be written as sin theta. Okay. Next is cosine of an angle. What is meant by cosine of an angle? Cosine is also one of the ratios. Say cosine, COSINE. Cosine is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. That is nothing but which is equal to AB by AC. Okay. Theta is cosine. Cosine is nothing but cosine theta, or say for example here theta written. This can be known as write as sin A, cosine A. Okay. Next is tan of an angle. Tangent of A. Tan A is called tangent of A, which will be equal to opposite by adjacent side. opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, opposite side can be written as BC divided by AB. BC which is equal to BC divided by AB. Okay, this is tan of an angle. Next is cot of a cot angle. That is cot A equals to this is also called cotangent A. Adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side by adjacent side divided by opposite side. Okay, next is cosecant. Cosecant of an angle. Cosecant A is equals to hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. Opposite side. Cosecant. Here tangent adjacent is AB divided by AC. Cot A cosine A. Cot A equals to adjacent side. Adjacent is AB. AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC. Okay. Cotangent completed. Then secant A. Secant A. Sec A is equals to hypotenuse divided by adjacent. Hypotenuse divided by adjacent, which can be written as hypotenuse is AC divided by AB. This is secant A. This 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ratios has been now discussed. Okay. Now let us start with the reciprocal, how it comes. What is the this sine, cos, tan, cot? This can be explained in terms of the ratio itself. That will be taking it right now. Here we are going to consider what sine A. Sine A is nothing but sine A, cos A, tan A, cosecant A, secant A and cot A respectively, defined with the abbreviated examples. Okay. Note that cos A, sine A is nothing but 1 by cos A. Say for example, okay, these are the examples that is already explained. Now let us go to Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Here, this is right angle triangle. This which can be mentioned as AC square, hypotenuse square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, this is the formula. AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. Okay, student, we'll continue the next part. take a break. I'll come back in the next part. Over to you. Thank you.